Free tips and tricks to help you with dog ownership. If you walk down the street, you probably notice that a lot of people own a dog. Perhaps you own one as well, and wish to know a little more about them. This video is going to teach you the basics of caring for a dog, along with other tips. Keep watching and you'll be an expert on dogs in no time. Dogs don't talk, so you should learn his nonverbal language. If when meeting a new dog or person you find your dog is filled with dread, remove him from the situation. This might result in another dog or a person being bit. Watch for any of these nonverbal cues and let these guide your actions. If you are planning to take your dog on an extended car ride, talk to your vet about motion sickness medication first. Avoid feeding him before setting out to prevent queasiness and vomiting, and make sure you buy him bottled water if you are traveling to any destination that is known to have issues with water quality. Much like people in the United States, many dogs are overweight. Having a few extra pounds on their frame can lead to a number of health problems, like cancer or diabetes. Many owners simply overfeed their pets. Talk to your veterinarian about how many calories your dog needs each day so you can adjust their meals accordingly. Avoid giving your pooch table food. Feeding a dog from the table only reinforces begging. The dog will also be less likely to eat its normal food. Scraps can be terrible for his diet and lead to obesity and other health problems. Make your dog leave the room if he begins to beg, or train him to spend mealtimes in another room entirely. If a dog does something correctly, like sitting before you leash them, give them lots of praise and affection. He needs to understand that this is the right thing to do. It teaches the dog that he gets praised when he does what you'd like him to do. If your vet gives you medication to take home and administer to your dog, be sure and ask for ideas on getting him to swallow it. Dogs differ in their tolerance of pills and badly flavored liquids, so have a few tricks up your sleeve in case he resists. Getting a dog to take medicine is important, but often challenging. As you can see, it's not terribly difficult to deal with caring for a dog. It does take some time and patience, but it is possible to do well at it. Just take in everything you've watched here and you should be able to help your dog live a happy and healthy life. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.